Welcome to our channel, where creativity and craftsmanship come together in the beautiful realm of woodcrafting. In this space, we celebrate the timeless appeal of wood and its endless possibilities for stunning home decor. Our mission is to inspire you with innovative design ideas that will transform your living space into a warm and inviting haven. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner looking to explore your creative side, there's something here for everyone. In each video, we will showcase incredible woodcraft designs that not only enhance your home's aesthetic, but also reflect your personal style. From elegant furniture pieces to charming decorative accents, our step-by-step will empower you to create unique items that bring character and warmth into your home. Join us on this exciting journey of creativity, and let's craft beautiful wooden designs together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content. Embracing the beauty of wood. Wood has a timeless appeal that lends itself beautifully to home decor. Its natural textures, warmth, and versatility make it an ideal choice for creating captivating designs. By embracing wooden crafts, homeowners can incorporate unique elements that reflect their individuality and enhance the overall ambience of their spaces. This natural material not only stands out aesthetically, but also offers sustainability, making it a favorite among eco-conscious consumers. The rise of DIY culture. The DIY trend has gained momentum in recent years, with more people seeking hands-on projects that foster creativity. Wooden crafts are at the forefront of this movement, as they allow individuals to not only craft beautiful pieces, but also experience the satisfaction of creating something with their own hands. Promoting wooden craft designs taps into this culture, catering to those eager to enhance their homes with personalized touches. Creating unique selling propositions. To stand out in the market, it's essential to define what makes your wooden crafts unique. This could be the use of reclaimed materials, bespoke designs tailored to customer specifications, or innovative techniques that showcase traditional craftsmanship. Highlighting these unique selling propositions can attract a diverse customer base seeking one-of-a-kind items that don't just fulfill practical needs, but also tell a story. Leveraging social media. Social media platforms are powerful tools for marketing wooden crafts. By sharing visually stunning images and videos of your projects on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube, you can engage with a wider audience. Showcasing the crafting process, material choices, and the final product can create a narrative that resonates with potential customers, encouraging them to share their own experiences and inspire others. Building a community. Creating a sense of community around your brand can foster loyalty and repeat business. Hosting workshops or online tutorials allows customers to connect through their shared love of woodworking and creativity. By nurturing this community, you can build strong relationships, gain valuable feedback, and establish yourself as an authority in wooden crafts, encouraging more people to engage with your brand. Targeting niche markets. Identifying and targeting specific niches within the wooden craft market can enhance your marketing strategy. Consider segments such as personalized gifts, rustic home decor, or eco-friendly designs. By catering to specific audiences, you can tailor your messaging and product offerings, making it easier to address their needs and preferences while standing out in a crowded market. Optimizing online presence. A strong online presence is crucial for marketing wooden crafts. Create a user-friendly website showcasing your portfolio, testimonials, and an online shop. Invest in search engine optimization (SEO) strategies to increase visibility and drive traffic to your site. Engaging content, such as blogs or how-to guides related to wooden crafts, can also position you as an expert in the field and attract more visitors. Collaborating with influencers. Partnering with influencers or bloggers in the home decor or DIY space can amplify your reach. Collaborations can include sponsored posts, giveaways, or guest features, helping you tap into existing audiences that align with your brand. Influencer endorsement adds credibility and can significantly boost your brand awareness and sales. Showcasing customer creations. Encouraging customers to share their home decor featuring your wooden crafts can create authentic marketing opportunities. By showcasing customer photos or testimonials, you build trust with prospective buyers and create a sense of community. User-generated content is a powerful form of word-of-mouth marketing that resonates well with potential customers. In conclusion, a bright future for wooden crafts. As the demand for unique, handmade items continues to rise, the future of wooden craftsmanship looks promising. By staying attuned to market trends, engaging with your audience, and promoting the beauty of wooden designs, you can carve out a niche in the home decor industry. With creativity and dedication, your wooden crafts can become beloved pieces that enhance homes and celebrate the artistry of woodworking. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of amazing woodcraft designs. We hope you found inspiration for creating stunning home decor that adds warmth and character to your space. If you enjoyed our content and want to see more innovative projects, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting ideas and creative inspiration. Together, let's keep crafting beautiful wooden pieces that transform